What's up, G-Tube? Replacing the AC compressor on the 2007 Chevy Impala. What you first want to do is, I need my flashlight. Release the tension off the belt, which will be right here. You stick a wrench in there, release the tension off the belt. Remove the belt off the AC compressor. Take your passenger side tire off. Remove the tire. Take the 215s off and take the 12 off. Remove the air lines. Make sure you have your new refrigerant and the new refrigerant tube, Freon tube. That's the high pressure point right there. And the low pressure point is right there behind the firewall. Take it off, same way you put it back on. Put your new Freon in with the engine off. And yeah. Some of these tubes come with gauges to let you know what's good, what's bad. So green is low, blue is filled, yellow is alert, red is bad. You might have mechanical damage with the bad. So yeah, pretty much the same process as taking it off, you put it back on. That's the AC compressor removal. Be careful with that Freon, don't let that Freon get nowhere. It's not good for the environment.